Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today's video is a bathroom clean with me. So I just want to take you guys inside of the master bathroom and just show you my cleaning routine, and maybe it'll give you some inspiration to get some things done today. So the first thing that I always start out doing is cleaning the mirror, and then I'll clean the frame as well. I'm just using the Comet Windex cleaner and then my microfiber cloth, of course, and then also to clean everything else I'm using the Method brand bathroom cleaner.
Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch.
If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I create content on cleaning and organizing. I live in my 1,100 square foot house that I do consider a small house for a family of 3, and that includes my 3-year-old. Her name is Eleni, and she definitely keeps us on our toes. But I feel like cleaning and organizing is essential whenever you're living in such a small space. I definitely believe in the less is more simple living method. So if you're just needing that little bit of motivation to get some things done, tackle a project, or even make your bed, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to subscribe. So the next thing I'm doing is cleaning the toilet. So I just use the Lysol brand toilet bowl cleaner, and then I'll just use my brush, and I just purchased that from Dollar Tree, so nothing fancy. And then I'll spray my toilet down with the Method cleaner, and I'll wipe it down with a paper towel.
Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe.
So the next thing I'll be doing is cleaning the tub, and I do switch out my cleaners for this. Sometimes I use the Jaws brand daily shower cleaner, and then sometimes I'll use my Method cleaner. Either one is fine. I do have to say that the Method cleaner leaves a stronger clean scent, and then the Jaws, I really don't smell much of anything. So all I'm going to do is spray it down, and then I wiped it down with my microfiber cloth. We do try our best to clean the tub whenever we get out, just so whenever I do more of a detailed clean, it's not too strenuous. But other than that, all I do is spray it and then wipe it down.
You are weighing me down. Can't have the rhythm, is making me no good. I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need, yeah. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe.
So the last thing I'll be doing is sweeping and mopping, and I'll just take my broom and sweep the floor along with the baseboards, and then I'll take my e-cloth and mop the floor as well.
Inside a cage, can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Sometimes, can't have the rhythm, is making me no
I did want to mention that my next video is a clean and organize with me. So that cabinet that we keep our towels in is considered like our linen closet cabinet, because we don't actually have a linen closet. So I'm going to take that shelf and reorganize, and hopefully it'll give you guys some motivation to organize your space as well. It is definitely an antique piece that we have, but we got it whenever we first moved in, so it's definitely sentimental, and we just purchased it like from Facebook Marketplace. But I definitely want to keep the piece, so I'm just going to take everything out and reorganize that space. So I hope you guys can stay tuned for that video.
I'm feeling, can't help the rhythms. I just don't like the sound. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now.
So I want to thank you guys for staying till the end, and I hope this video gave you the motivation to get some things done today. My next video will be out on Wednesday, so I'm definitely trying to keep that consistent schedule of Wednesday and Sunday. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
And I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah.